Hey guys and girls, it's Adam the Data Guy here, and here are the steps to set up your own home business intelligence lab for free. Right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get some sources. So I like to use the AdventureWorks source that Microsoft give you. So just the AdventureWorks OLTP database and their data warehouse. Just download those two, and then what you want to do is download SQL Server. Now make sure you have lots of space, lots of storage space free on your machine before you do all of this. And you can say try SQL Server 19, and you can get the developer edition here, right? And the developer edition is free to everybody to use. And once you have SQL Server installed, I would recommend getting Visual Studio as well, and Visual Studio Community Edition. I'll put links to all of this in the description as well. So Visual Studio Community Edition is there. And then once you've got Visual Studio installed, you want to get PowerBI Desktop. And that's for building your visualizations. And then you want also you want to get DAX Studio, so that when if you're doing any DAX and you want to do any performance tuning or anything like that in DAX, for any slow running reports, get DAX Studio. Now I will go into all the details of how you do all of that and how you use all those tools. This is merely a setup video of what you need. So download and install Microsoft SQL Server. Download the sample databases, and once you have your sample databases restored into here, I'll do a little video of how to do that. Once you have your sample databases set up, you can then just mess around with the whole environment, the database environment, the coding environment with Visual Studio and DAX Studio, and the visualizations and coding environment that is PowerBI Desktop. So hopefully this video will help everybody get started with business intelligence at home for free in your lab. Now, another thing I would recommend is that you get an Azure account and a PowerBI Online, PowerBI Service account. So the PowerBI Service account, you'll need to use your work email address for that, or your personal domain address or whatever. It won't work with Hotmail or Gmail. And then your Azure account, I would recommend using your personal email with Azure, same email that you use to sign into Microsoft for certificates or Learn or whatever. Okay, so hopefully that'll get you started.